Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to achieve my blue to pink ombre. I used Ion Brights in the semi-permanent and permanent colors. I used rose, and then I also used a rose petal, which is a permanent color, to just lighten up the ends. My hair is already pre-bleached at the ends to give a nice light base to put this color on, and my hair at the top is already blue, so this is a really fun way to switch up your hair color. If you want to add some more colors, you can do it by just adding it to the ends. I'm going to take the rose color, which is a semi-permanent color, and go ahead and feather it up into my blue. This color already comes pre-mixed and ready to go, so you just have to pour it into a bowl. Next, I'm going to take the permanent color in Rose Petal and just kind of shade it into the ends. Once you finish that, you're just going to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and then give it a nice rinse. And here it is all blow dried. And next, I'm going to spray in this Eva NYC Main Magic Spray. This stuff is awesome. It is a heat protectant as well as a conditioner and adds shine. And now I'm going to add some really pretty soft curls by the Babyliss Pro Curling Iron. This thing is awesome. It's going to give these really pretty big curly waves. So I place the hair in between the iron and I go ahead and give it a little twist at the top and then slowly roll it down the hair. And once it's nice and warm, I go ahead and gently slide the curling iron out and let the curl cool. I'm going to go ahead and continue these curls all over until my whole hair is complete. I really love how this pink ended up blending into my hair. It looks so pretty and romantic and adds a little bit of a girly vibe. And again, this is a fun way to switch up your color. If you want to add a few colors in without re-dyeing your whole hair, you can just add some fun seasonal colors, just the tips of your hair, for a fun little switch up. Here's the final look. It is so romantic and pretty, and I love how the pink adds just a little touch of girly to my hair. And these curls look amazing too. It's just a nice bouncy wavy curl. Everything I used today to create this look can be found at your local Sally Beauty or online at sallybeauty.com.